Hi, it's Tony Carver from TLC Style and Colour, and I am delighted to let you know that the next What to Wear workshop, which is talking all about the autumn and winter colour and style trends, is taking place on Saturday the 1st of October, 10 a.m. at the studio. Places are limited for that, and then in the afternoon, which is customary, is 2 p.m. for a virtual session. So get your tickets, they're on sale now, but let me give you an idea of what to expect. I'm often asked, how is it that someone can update their look? And it's about investing in key pieces ultimately. So understanding not only what suits you, from your colours to your styles to your shape, but actually in terms of just because it's fashionable, on trend or in the shops, doesn't necessarily mean it's going to work for you. And that's the whole premise behind my What to Wear workshops. You might already have things in your wardrobe which tick off what the current trends are. So it's really worthwhile having a look inside your wardrobe and seeing what's actually there. It can be really easy to mix up some of your existing pieces with perhaps something new from the new trends to be able to update a current outfit. So one of the things that I do in my What to Wear workshops is actually to guide you in terms of what to look for in terms of colours, style, shapes and trends. Those of you that come along to my What to Wear workshops will take away a copy of the autumn winter colour and style update guide. Now this had a bit of a revamp this year and is actually an open out double-sided edition, so that's really good news. I talk you through those current colour and style trends with one of my presentations, and then I also go and rate the shops as well as my wardrobe to give you examples of what the current colour and style trends are so that you can try and translate that to your own wardrobe. It's about keeping you informed so that you've got some extra guidance in terms to what to shop for, which is where I do all the hard work for you. And then ultimately you can take those and apply them in terms of what's going to be suitable. Now, as much as I would like you to attend the workshop on the 1st of October, if you can't make it, there are a couple of other options for you as well. So as per the spring summer, what I did and what I will do a pre-recorded masterclass, which will basically talk you through those same colour and style trends and my presentation. So that will actually be available on the 1st of October. If you are registered and you've registered your specific interest in seasonal updates on my newsletters and my mailing list, then what you will actually get if you register 5 days before, I'll give you a pre-launch exclusive offer. So make sure you subscribe, you tick the box to say seasonal updates, and then I will let you know what those will be. If you're a more do-it-yourself kind, perhaps you just want the guide, this will also be available to purchase online on the 1st of October. If you have yourself booked in for a complete colour analysis consultation from October onwards, you'll actually receive a copy of this as part of your consultation. Another thing I should tell you about as well is that there is an early bird bonus. So the first 3 people to book a ticket to either of those events, either in person 10 a.m. on the 1st of October or online virtual session 2 p.m. on the 1st of October, the first 3 will get an early bird bonus, which basically means that one of you will be picked at random to have a complimentary 30 minutes little session with me in which you can discuss anything it is that you would like. But you've got to be one of the first 3 to get your ticket to qualify for that. The tickets are available to purchase now. They are available on Eventbrite, and there is a link from that on my website which takes you off there. You can choose either the in-person one where the tickets are £20 per person, or you can choose a virtual one and the tickets are £17.50. There's various goodie bags, but one thing you will certainly get is your current colour and style update. So don't miss out. Book today.